So first of all, good morning and a very, very warm welcome to all of you, our customers, for this Customer Day, second edition after last one 2 years ago. Today is a big day. There are a lot of sessions, of course, so you're going to have to go to the rooms you booked, but I'm sure you're going to enjoy the day today. Starting with the glass bottle washer. What we've done is that we have added one feature on this technology, which is the ultrasonic washing. The next one, which attracts attention, is the aseptic filling. What was new last year during DreamTech is that we showed for the first time our compact aseptic block. Third one, very interesting, module SIM. It's a very nice system, brings huge advantage in terms of operation, talking about hygiene and changeover times. Next one is the Conti-Flow. It still attracts a lot of attention among our customers because the range from 15 up to 90 cubic meters per hour capacity, and last but not least, that attracted as well a lot of attention. So you see this is a labelless bottle. So basically what we do is that instead of applying a wraparound label, we print information using laser technology, and we have developed our own DecoBeam laser printer machine. We develop, redesign, we manufacture our equipment to get there, to allow you in the end to reduce your CO2 footprint while using the Krones equipment by 30%. We want you to be able to reduce your energy consumption by 25% while using the Krones solutions. This is really the benefits that you get through the Krones sustainability program. Again, thank you very much for coming, so many of you, and let's enjoy the day.
I like the amount of information that Krones gave. They gave us good insight as to what's happening now, as well as future technologies that they are endeavoring into. And I think the information that they provided was sufficiently very good to us, and an eye-opening one for us.
We are trusted with the Krones company, that they are production products, and they are innovative things, and they are helping hands to all spare parts when running the machines.
ได้รับในส่วนของข้อมูลทางด้านเทคโนโลยีต่างๆใหม่ๆครับทางด้านเครื่องจักรทางด้านเซอร์วิสต่างๆของทาง Krones ครับแล้วก็สิ่งที่สำคัญแล้วก็ที่ได้รับนะครับก็จะเป็นในส่วนของการได้พบปะพูดคุยคอนแทคต่างๆกับทางspecialist จากทางเยอรมันครับ
การอัปเกรดเครื่องจักรหรือแม้แต่เทคโนโลยีในแง่ของ filling solution หรือแม้แต่เรื่องของการ high temp filling มันทำให้เราคิดว่ามันมี opportunity ในการที่จะไปปรับปรุง improve ในส่วนของ process ของเราการจัดในอีเวนท์ที่เป็นลักษณะแบบนี้ผมว่าเป็นคอนเซ็ปต์ที่ดีเลย
Krones is a great partner that give us long-term confidence in continuity and more efficiency that conform to the theme that solution beyond tomorrow.